it's Shirley. Today I'm going to solve this easy Leetcode problem, path crossing. The question basically asks, given a string path where path I equals N, S, E, or W, each representing moving one unit north, south, east, or west, respectively, you start at origin 0, 0, and 2G plane and walk on the path specified by path. Return true if the path crosses itself at any point. Return false otherwise. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to use a hash map to store all of the coordinates that the path ever has. Like it first starts at 0, 0, and I'm going to count the number of times each coordinate is crossed. So for example, if 0, 0 happens twice, that means that the path crosses itself, so it'd be returned true. So my logic is if any coordinate ever has more than one in its value in the hash map, then I'm going to set the return value to true, and otherwise it'd be false. Alright, so first I'm going to set a hash map, just basically specifying the coordinates of the directions. North is x would be 0, 1, and y be 0. And south would be x would be -1. Oh wait, no. Yeah, sorry. It'd be x would be 0 and north would be 1. And for this one, it'd be 0, -1. And for east, it'd be 1, 0. And west would be -1, 0. And then I'm going to set a hash map. Basically chords. I can name this. It'd be counter. And I'm going to add the tuple 0, 0 because that's where the path's going to start first. So you start at origin. So that'd be set to 1. And now I'm going to iterate through the paths string. Okay, first I'm going to set x. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Yeah, so x is 0. That's the origin. X value, and y be 0. And x, y, 0, 0, in other words, would be 1. So now I'm going to add P's 1. No, P would be the letter. And so that'd be the key in the directions hash map. So it'd be x plus minus directions P 0 and y plus minus directions P 1. And then I'm going to set the chords key value equal to xy plus minus 1. Now I'm going to iterate through the chords hash map, and if value is greater than 1, return true. Otherwise, return false. Path. So this is true, and this is true, and faster than 11%. Thanks, guys.